Why would you come for somebody like me? And why would you be born a baby on some dirty, crowded stable floor, leaving your father and your royal sovereignty? For one such as me, I stand amazed. God's holy Son, God's holy Son, why would you face the darkness of the night? And why would you choose to bring me light in a fragile display of love, trading your glory and your heavenly attire for one such as me? I stand amazed. All my life I've known the gift is you. How I want to show my humble gratitude, and I will always give you all the praise. You are the one I adore. God's holy Son, great is the love of Him who sent you here.